For today's video, I will share with you a strategy that you are going to really like. This strategy can give you entry position with intense accuracy. With only using 2 indicators, this strategy can totally increase your win rate and profitability. Apart from that, you will heard this strategy first in this channel. I will test this indicator 100 times and I will share with you its amazing results. So, if you want to know more about this strategy, make sure to finish this video. By the way, I put my Telegram link in the description below. You can join my community and get updated every day. And, don't forget to subscribe to the channel as it helps us create more content like this for free. So now, let's get started. Let's go to the chart. From here we will make sure that we are in the 5-minute. This strategy is a scalping strategy and best used in a lower time frame like the 1-minute and 5-minute. After that, let's head over the indicator search tab. First, let's add this amazing indicator to our chart. Search for K's reversal indicator. Click this one created by Sofian Kabar. After that, let's add the last indicator. Search for Reverse EMA Oscillator - John Ehlers. Click this one made by BYBIT. After that, Chloe the indicator search tab. Go to the indicator setting of the reversal indicator. And from the input section change the fast value from 12 to 9. Then change the slow value from 26 to 27. Also, change the signal value from 9 to 8. And lastly, change the multiplier value from 2 to 1. After that, close the indicator settings. Go to the setting indicator of the reverse EMA indicator. From the Inputs tab, change the alpha value from 0.1 to 0.17. Then check the Plot Histogram option. After that, close the indicator. Entry conditions. Now that the indicators have been applied in the chart, let's take a look at when to enter into a position. First, we will need to see a green arrow signal forming under a green candle. This indicates that we are bullish market. Second, we will need to take a look at the reverse EMA. We will need to make sure that it is in green color. This indicates that the market is in an uptrend. Third condition is that the candle is formed above the blue line. This condition supports the market trend. And lastly, make sure that it is a green candle. Entry and exit signal. Once all of the conditions have been met, we can now put a long position. Place your entry at the candle close. Put your stop loss at the recent swing low. And for the target, we will set it at 1.5 times the risk. Now let's see how this trade play out. As you can see, that's profitable. Let's try that one more time. In here we can see that we have a green arrow. Next, the reverse EMA is in green color. After that, the candle is above the blue line. And lastly, it is a green candle. With all of that met, we can entry in this candle. Set the stop loss at the recent swing low and target a 1.5 times the risk. Let's see this through. As you can see, it's a winner. Now let me show you how to enter in a short position. First, we will need to see a red arrow signal forming above a red candle. This indicates that we are bearish market. Second, we will need to take a look at the reverse EMA. We will need to make sure that it is in red color. This indicates that the market is in a downtrend. Third condition is that the candle is formed below the blue line. This condition supports the market trend. And lastly, make sure that it is a red candle. Once all of the conditions have been met, we can now put a short position. Place your entry at the candle close. Put your stop loss at the recent swing high. And for the target, we will set it at 1.5 times the risk. Now let's see how this trade play out. As you can see, that's profitable. Let's try that one more time. In here we can see that we have a red arrow. Next, the reverse EMA is in red color. After that, the candle is below the blue line. And lastly, it is a red candle. With all of that met, we can entry in this candle. Set the stop loss at the recent swing high and target a 1.5 times the risk. Let's see this through. As you can see, it's a winner. Backtesting. I hope you understand the rules of this strategy. Now, let's find out its win rate. I backtested this strategy 100 times. Now, here are the results. Look at this chart. I've tried the strategy on Bitcoin using a 5-minute time frame. The total trade range reached 34 days with 65% win rate. If you have $1,000 as capital in your portfolio, and use $50 per trade with 20 times leverage, you will end up having a 17.19% increase on your portfolio size, which will total to $1,171.9 in final account size. Now that's the end of the strategy. I hope you learn more in this video. So, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more videos like this. Also, I put my Telegram link in the description down below. You can join my Telegram community so you can be updated on my current affairs. As always, thank you for your time, and see you on my next video. Goodbye.